Now see what is the digital signature. Digital signature is a process that guarantees that the contents of a message have not been altered in transit. Means after sending a message from the sender side and before receiving the message from the receiver side, the message was not tampered or edited with during transmission. Okay, and digital signature provide non-repudiation. And what is the non-repudiation? Non-repudiation means the sender cannot later deny that this message is not sent by him or her later. Okay, digital signature is a protocol showing that the message is authentic. Now, what is the example of digital signature? The electronic mail. Electronic mail is the best example of digital signature. Now, I'll see what is the basis of digital signature. See, this is the basis of digital signature. Suppose A want to send a message to B. When A want to send a message means A is a sender. B want to receive the message means B is receiver. Now what A will do is he will take a message and he will apply the encryption. He will encrypt the message using sender private key. And what is the output? That is called the encrypted message, also called ciphertext. And after generating this encrypted message, sender will send this ciphertext, this encrypted message to the network. Okay, and at the receiver end, when receiver will receive this encrypted message, he will use the sender public key to decrypt it. Okay, and after decryption he will get the original message, and this is the basis of digital signature. But uh, sender will when sender will send the message, along with the message he will also send the digital signature. Means the receiver will not only receive the message, he will also receive the digital signature. Now see what is the procedure to generate the digital signature. See, there are two terms. One is a message digest, another is a digital signature. How we can generate the message digest? We will take a message, sender will take a message M, and he will apply some message digest algorithm. There are number of message digest algorithm like MD5, SHA. Okay, but I am not going in detail about the message digest algorithm because this is not in your syllabus. Okay, means see, message, this is the message, and this message sender will apply message digest algorithm on this message, and the output is message digest. Okay, suppose it is called MD1. Now the second step is he will take MD1 and he will apply encryption using sender private key. Okay, and after applying the encryption, then this digital signature is ready. Okay, means there are two steps to generate a digital signature. First of all, he will take a message and apply message digest algorithm, and after applying the message digest algorithm on the message, he will get the message digest called MD1. He will take this MD1 and encrypt it by the sender private key. The output is a digital signature. Okay, and this at the time of when sender want to send a message, he will send the encrypted message along with digital signature. Means receiver will receive encrypted message and digital signature. Okay, see, encrypted message means sender will send the encrypted message M, and second, he will prepare a message digest. We know how to generate the message digest. How will generate the message digest? We will take a message M and apply some message digest algorithm, then message digest will be prepared, and the output of the output is message digest. Okay, means he will prepare the message digest, and third, he will convert message digest into digital signature. Okay, now sender will send message, encrypted message, and digital signature to the receiver. Now receiver will receive the encrypted message M and digital signature. Right, now what he will do is he will decrypt. First he will decrypt the encrypted message, and second he will decrypt the digital signature. When he will decrypt, how he will decrypt the message? We know that he will use the sender public key, okay, to decrypt the message. Similarly, he will again use the sender public key to decrypt digital signature. After decrypting the digital signature, what he will get? he will get the message digest, that is MD1, which is already sent by the sender. Means receiver will receive the message along with MD1. Now what receiver will do is he will prepare another message digest by his uh, received message. How he will generate the MD2? He will take a message and he will apply some another message digest algorithm. He will apply similarly like a message digest algorithm, and then message digest will be prepared. Okay. Now what he will do is he will take a message and apply message digest algorithm on the decrypted message M to get the message digest MD2. Okay. Now what receiver will do is he will check that if MD1 equal to MD2 means the receiver assured that the message indeed come from the sender. Message indeed come from the sender means authentication is maintained. And second is it was not altered means integrity is also maintained. Okay. And sender cannot deny having sent the message means non-repudiation is also maintained, and these three is application of digital signature. One is authentication, second is a non-repudiation, and third is a integrity. These three things is ensured by the digital signature. Okay. This is how we can make a digital signature, and a receiver can ensure that this message is indeed come from the sender. Message indeed come from the sender means authentication is maintained. Message indeed come from the sender means authentication is maintained. And second is it is not altered. If it is not altered means integrity is maintained. And non-repudiation means sender cannot deny that this message is not sent by him. Okay, this is all about the digital signature. Okay, thank you.